Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have an unboxing for you today. This is from Ebony, the Rosette Guru on Instagram. She's also the crafty girl here on YouTube and Instagram. She sent this a while ago. So I have like 2 pouches. I already cut them open. And I just got it yesterday. So guys, I apologize, Ebs. I don't know. So let's get into it. Uh-oh, something opened. Oh no. One of them is open. I'll fix that. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's find the culprit. Is it you? Oh yeah, it's her. She busted. She busted. She totally busted. Hold on. Let me get some bowls. This is from the Rosette Guru, like I said. So this one is all, it's ripped open, so it's okay. This one is Halloween themed. Oh yeah, Halloween. So let me just toss that bag because let's see. She's like, I sent that a long time ago. Sorry, it just got here the other day. So she has in that little zip bag, it's got some orange spacers, some pink tiny pumpkin beads. How cute. And we got some orange fuzzies. There is the Pac-Man ghost, pink skeleton head. Oh, these are nice. I like that. That is ready to go. We've got a little boo here, silicone bead. And then we've got some crystal pink bead. Nice little marble glitter bead. And then we've got this guy right here. Oh, very nice. And we've got some star beads. And what else? We got some orange spider beads, spider web beads. So very nice. Again, she doesn't sell it like this. She sends it to me this way, but to get them, she sells them like individual styles. So, oh yeah, we got some of the bobble beads and the sugar beads. Oh yeah, I like that. Look at that. The frosted pumpkin bead. So you got to go check her out on her Instagram when she has her sales. Turn on the notification. Then this one. Oh, look at that. She's got the purple spacer bead. I like this size. And we got some cute little, oh, it's a purple pumpkin. Jack-o'-lantern. We got a little star clear bead. A little stripe purple bead. Those little berry, I don't know what these are called. Raspberry beads. Look at that. I love this color. Oh my goodness. Beautiful color. All in the lavender shade. Look at that. It looks white, but it's purpley. It's like a lavender. So pretty. Look at that. Like, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, let me grab more bowls. Okay, there's a lot to see, so go ahead and, oh, the dark purple for Halloween. It says bite me. It's got a little apple, a little ghost with the flowers. Got a little spider on his hat. Ooh, the purple star. That is beautiful. Oh my God, I love that bead. Oh, you guys are gonna freak out. Eyeball, eyeball. There's the hole right there. There's the eyeball. It's double-sided. How cool is this? We've got some tiny little black beads for spacers. Look at this beautiful. It looks like a marble. There's a little hint of green in there. This was her last sale, so don't go looking for this one anymore because these are gone. Might message her maybe to ask her if she's bringing it in again. But this is it. This is gone. Look at that. That's beautiful. And we got the black one, the raspberry bead. Oh, God. I love these beads. They're so pretty. I got the pumpkin. Oh, my gosh. Look at this one. Oh, look at, there's some little gold in there. You see that? There's some gold in there. Oh, so pretty. So that is the purple. Let's see. Got lavender, purple, orange. And here's the green. Oh, Hello Kitty. Frankenstein Hello Kitty silicone bead. And then we've got the sugar beads. More pumpkin beads. You got it in green and black. And then there is the, ooh, that's pretty, like a disco ball. But it's green in the middle. Some green hearts. Oh, look at that one. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Did I show you all of them? Yep, I sure did. So that was the green. Okay. And let me see, what else do we have? Let me do the big bags. Okay. This one is the blue. Oh, that's pretty. We've got some black and white check bows. We've got some like a mint or teal color. Very pretty. Pumpkin. Ooh, that is beautiful. Variegated coloring. I love that. And we got a white with the stripes. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. And we've got the fancy bead. It's got black roses, and then she's got a bow on her. Oh, where's the hole? There's the hole right there. So it goes up from top to bottom. It's kind of hard to see, but these are black butterflies and black roses. So pretty. We've got a spider. Casper. Oh my God. We've got the white Pac-Man ghost. We've got the silver glitter, black and silver glitter. Oh, it's a jack-o'-lantern. Oh. We've got the bats. More bats. I love this bead. This is so sparkly. We've got a gray and black stripe bead. We got the faceted. And we've got, oh, look at that. Look at that, like a cat's eye. Okay, so that is what we got for, I love the Casper. Whoops, Casper. And we've got this little smoky, marbly one. Oh my gosh, Ebony, this is gorgeous. Okay, I need another bowl. I need another one. Let's see if I can, whoops. If I can get some trays going here. Ooh, that bag is busted. Where did they go? Oh my gosh, they went everywhere. Oh no. No. Okay. Bead down, bead down, bead down. Easy, easy peasy. She stuffed that bag. It is loaded. Okay, whatever I didn't get, I'll try to find it down there. And we've got the silicone beads with the ghost. And then we have the trick-or-treater silicone. Oh, that pink star is beautiful. Look at that. It's chunky. Very pretty. We got some more of those pumpkin beads. We got a silver star bead cap. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Becky, look at this pink and black, like bullseye. And we've got the Casper, Pac-Man ghost. And the pink version of the jack-o'-lantern. Look at these beads. Oh my goodness. I love them. Oh, there's little stars in there. Wow. And then we've got the faceted, bejeweled. It's so pretty. We got the polka dots. Oh yeah, these are like engraved. What else? We've got the white faceted. So sparkly. And then we have this beautiful bead. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. Let's see. Oh. Oh. Finding some loose beads. Okay. Let's see. Silver. Ooh. Look at the kitty on the moon. Got the blue and the yellow. How pretty are they? And we've got the yellow, pink, blue, green, the Pac-Man ghost. So cute. Oh, there's purple. There's the purple one. And then we've got this little, ooh, nice. I don't know what colors those are. And then we got the berry bead. I'll just call it the berry bead. But look at these stars. Oh, wow. Those are beautiful. Wow. Very nice. Very, very nice. And we got, oh my gosh, the dog is going crazy. Silver. And then we got these bows. Oh, we got purple. I'm sorry. People are just out walking like distraction. Distraction. Okay. OMG. These, she said these are the ones that she forgot to send to me on the previous sale. But look at this. Holy smoke. Holy smoke. Cherries, baby. Cherries. The ice cream man is out front. That's why. And he decided to stop at my door. Look at these are cherry beads. Oh my God, these are so cute. This is a silicone bead. She got me two. Oh, I could fix that. That one came off. So I'm going to fix that. I'm going to put him over here. Get my E6000 going. But those are the cherries. Wow. Let me put these in so I could use this tray. Those are so cute. This is going on my purse. It ain't going to nobody. And then we've got Hello Kitty, Bumblebee. Oh, look at her. Oh, she is adorable. Look at that. And then we got the regular Bumblebee. Oh, so cute. Oh my God. And then we have two more little pouches. Wow. This one is a watermelon. Yeah, look at that. That is so cool. Oh, there's 3 styles, 4 styles. Look at that. This one has a face. This one has the watermelon slice. This one, you can see through it. Oh, look at that. That is so cool. You can see right through that one. Oh my gosh, so cool. And then we have these guys. These are charms. How pretty. Wow. And then we have 2 little black beads for like the black in the, you know, the seed. Wow. The watermelon seeds. How cute, you guys. I'm telling you, you've got to check it out. She's got some strawberry clips. Oh, that's pretty. Look at the heart strawberries. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is amazing. Beautiful, Ebs. Ooh, you guys, if you don't know this, Ebony hand selects these, every single piece, to curate a little collection to go as she sells the beads. So you're going to see her posting is one of these, when she starts a color, she'll go all the way through all her colors and make that a story. Then she'll have another collection and another and another and another. So it kind of makes it easy for you to put together a nice collection, cohesive collection. So if you aren't following her on Instagram for her live sales, not live sales, she posts on her Instagram page. So put the notification on and make sure you're following her on the Rosette Guru and also on the Crafty Girl. I'll leave her links in the description box below, like I said, so check her out, and I hope to see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up this video. If you're new here, welcome. Join the Crafty family, hit the subscribe button, and while you're there, hit the notification bell. And that will let you know when I load new videos like this or when I go live here on my channel. So thanks again, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye.